What's going on? This is a little VeVe wallet viewer app that I built. It's going to be something I work on a little bit. I wanted to build this so I could search through my collection and not have to load or wait for like VeVe to load stuff. And also I wanted to be able to like make custom lists of different things. So for instance, these are some of my favorites. In VeVe, I would like to be able to like reorder things. So I built it to where you can kind of drag and drop things in a custom list. You can favorite items. Outside of that, you can also create a custom list. So if I wanted to do like ASM, I could make that a list. So this one is ASM 13, right? This one's 1. This one's 14. Two, 3, 300, 4, 5, 6, 'All right, so now this is my list that I just created, right? Now I can reorder them into the custom order. You know what I mean? So then I have the run, like kind of how it's meant to be. And I added a few things so you can reset all your filters. If you search here, it'll pre-populate based on what's in your wallet. So, and then if you directly enter that, it'll show all your results up here. So I have 257 copies. If I go to rarity, 250 of those are commons. In the pop-up here, if I click the variants owned, it'll automatically filter down. So if I'm like on ASM 14, I have 6 copies. So if I click that, it's going to bring up just those copies. Just want to see secret rares, it'll populate those. Ultra rares. Some images don't show up right, so I put this in here for now. That's like a VeVe issue. You can unfilter by comics or collectibles. You can sort by different things. Title should bring in the ASMs first, Zombie Hunters first, lowest editions, bring up your low editions, highest editions, the opposite. That's about it though. So if you're interested in testing this out and kind of helping me what features we should add to this, let me know. This is going to be something I can add to my Legendary Leads app, so you can just access it from there. But yeah, that's basically it. I did put a link to the VeVe marketplace as well. I tried to link directly to the like actual item, but whatever data it's pulling from Immutable doesn't have like the VeVe actual data in there. So if I click on a cover here, like this data is not in the actual Immutable data. So that would have been cool, but I mean, if I got access to VeVe's APIs, we could probably make it work somehow. I just haven't, I've been doing everything just based off Immutable so far. But yeah, let me know if you'd like to see anything else. If you're interested in any other features or ideas, I'm open to working on stuff. That being said, we'll catch you on the next video. Stay legendary.